She's you gonna feel like how she see outside in on the kitchen over here something.
I'm doing some water. Water after in our fridge.
People, mama called Saya. It's too nice. Boys call me Suago and Amaya. Then good.
Hello?
What go?
Police. They are.
Ivany, what go? Eh?
Police, they are.
I charge who you?
They can't charge me no business. Kayla kill this lifestyle.
I'm talking a girl coming off a fly down come kill Kayla for you know. What go on now? Because remember say after me I share the little pre what go on now?
Oh, come out of my room now.
So what she call police for?
I'm so call you back. I mean, them not my.
Alright then good. What's up the thing? Yeah. Alright. Oh, use that one. Call them. Why me cup down me drink water with her? Then Kayla the diva, me tell her some that must make the girl them fuck up your blood clot, you know. And you think I joke me and make, you know. Yeah, she always a try to tell me. She always a try to tell me. Me and her talk a while ago, and she tell me about. I'ma show you where it pre. I'ma send the message them to my friend a while ago. I'ma tell you all the whole of the thing go now. I'm tell you how it go. Of course, it have to sweet me because me make it go on and I feel good. So the girl them do it and them do it good. So I have to feel good. You find the matches? Drop it up. Girl up. Police are going to cause a one man did in the background and say him have one gun. You should have bust it in her face. Kayla the diva. Why make the girl and beat you? Why you do it? Why you come fuck around me in the night? Why you do it? She too, you know, a long time I want this big dirty girl follow me out, you know. I'm gonna tell you how it go now. Kayla used to live with me, Zine. So she gone and she gone up her friend in my Portmore. The house would have be like one apartment with 3 rooms did it. You see me? And no matter who call police and make the girl and beat her up. So 3 of them did it. One named Amai, one named Tay, and Kayla. 3 of them. And one next to a black one, but me not really call she because she not really in a wagwan. You see me? The one named Amai have a bar at Walter. You see me? So when Amai go bar now, because she not a bartender, she work there. So when she go a bar now, Kayla and Tay would have go down, they go do like a promotion and that kid says pull up the thing. Oh, I put it up already. So Kayla and Tay would have go down at the bar down at Amazon. You see Amai now the girl for the bar, she have one best friend. The best friend is very jealous. And Amai always a snap with Kayla. You see me? Just like how she jealous one time, Samantha jealous one time I put up Kayla. Same so. So the best friend I like Kayla and all. So one day one time them for go to promotion down at the bar, Kayla never have nothing for put on as usual, never have nothing for put on, you see me? So the one when you Tay now, see the clothes, see Amaya best friend clothes, but Tay never know say Amaya best friend clothes, you see me? And then Kayla to put on. When the three of them go down at the bar now and then change and put on the clothes, and my best friend come now and see Kayla in a fair clothes. But she don't like Kayla, you know. And for you see somebody in your clothes, I go beat them if you don't like them. So the girl beat up Kayla down at the bar. You see me? Kayla said nothing to none of them. Kayla run away and go back up at the yard. Like she run off and go up at the yard. So you know, so the other two now go left because them have to down at the bar already. One still a dance and the one who the bar down there like it off same way. When night come now and the bar lock now, Kayla then go back up at the yard. Kayla beat up there. That time video I just show you now what Kayla said. You hear the girl say, I realize I'm not doing nothing and this girl come home. Because the girl not doing nothing for true. Kayla, she now beat up Tay up at the yard. See me? Everything good. Kayla text my phone and say, Ivany, you know somebody else beat up Tay? I mean, I say, what you say? How it go? Let me hear how it go. Bob, she send me video and tell me say no for post up the video make everybody see. I say no, so I'm not going to post the video because guess what? Me and Tay are friend. Me and you are friend. And when you and Tay are friend, me never did it. So why know when time you and Tay and a friend, me for post up the video? I'm not going to post up the video. She said, alright, so Kayla post the video on her status and Kayla post the video. Give everybody the video so the video just spread around. See? Cut long story short for all the war starts since night now. Kayla wants to come over here, you see me? Now Kayla did forget about passport, but you know when it vex and Kayla go fear ways, I go for my ways. She have her things them now for look about her passport, but she want $9,000. You see me? If you go renew it. So I said to Kayla, Kayla, you can't find $9,000 if you go renew your passport. Like she want me send my money go give her. So I said, I send my money go give me your girl. I stay from over here and have work at Jamaica for give her for end up getting to the Javelin and do a video shoot. You see me? You know what I mean at Jamaica, I can't go in like. Him text and say he want some girl for going at the shoot. You see me? 2 girls. I say, alright, me link up Kayla because Kayla can dance and Kayla look good. Put on something sexy and go. She tell me say she'll go and she make me text the man. You know, so the man could have get other woman. If you don't get other woman now. You know, so Kayla text me and tell me say she'll go and tell the man say she serious she want to come. I say, alright, where you there? Portmore. People them say they will go pick her up at Portmore house, you know. Kayla I got text back now hours before the time and I got tell me say she not have no money. Figure go on a video